Okay, so this is Roboform on the Mac, and I am highlighting a feature request here that I would actually call more of a bug because the default behavior just does not make any sense. It's a little too literal. We have a filter field here, and then we have a list of names down here. Most of the time there are more names than this. I have it set to search by the name Spotify, and over here we have the go-to URL, which includes a couple of things here. Spotify.com is what I am interested in the URL. So ideally, when I type into this, it would search based on not only the list of names here, but also this field on the right, this go-to URL, and particularly the match URL, which is what is used inside the browser to prompt the plugin to display the item, the username, as a possible match for the website. And here we have the username and password. And as you can see, when I add a dot, it immediately disappears. So Spotify.com doesn't show up, and this can be a little misleading if you're looking for a specific website and you type really fast, but it doesn't show up like on my computer here, which is not entirely fast. So doing like that. Okay, so there's the Y. We see Spotify and do like .com, and then it just disappears. Doesn't really show you at what point it disappears. And normally, when you have a lot of items in here, and you in this area, when you have a lot of items there and you start typing, then it updates that view while you're typing. But if the screen refresh rate and the time it takes to process the information are too slow, then you end up completely missing the entry, and then it becomes a problem. Also, it is an issue because of the name over here is user defined, and it's possible for someone to rename this something entirely different. So you may never notice that the username and password that you're using for your favorite website is actually entered into a different URL than the website you think you're looking at here. Yeah, just in general, it would be a whole lot nicer to have this search box search the entire, well, at least two fields that were mentioned here.